Welcome to this 2-minute overview of Anvil's Document Editor. Document Editor enables users to build dynamic templates for creating text-heavy documents with fillable fields and conditional clauses. It's best for contracts, agreements, and any documents with dynamic conditional content. Note that final PDFs are fully editable. Type or paste content into the document editor and style it with the toolbar above. Anything you can do in a Google or Word doc, you can do in Document Editor. You can add fields by typing @ or the @ symbol, or by clicking the field icon. Fields can be filled via the PDF filling API used in Etch eSign packets and in workflows. For example here, when I type @name, a field is generated in line. Typing @signature will generate a signature field. Once filled, the fields will look and feel just like all other text in the document. Document Editor also allows you to add clauses, which is text visible to select users and controlled by logic by clicking the clause icon. In this example, the text inside the green border is a clause and is hidden unless conditional logic is used to show it to a subset of recipients. It looks just like other text in the document. If a user isn't eligible to see the clause, it simply won't be visible. Lastly, you can add and resize images like your company logo into your document by clicking the image icon and uploading any image file.